Hello guys, welcome back to yet another session. This is a new topic which is included in that a new syllabus of paper number 3, Quantitative Aptitude. Previously, some part of that MCQs is there and some practical problems will be there. Now they have extracted that and they have created a separate exercise under the differential and integral calculus, and that is our exercise 8C. In that exercise 8C, we are having 3 illustration problems. There is 3 example problems, and then we are having 30 exercise problems is there. First, we will complete the exercise and then we will go for that example problems. One thing you need to remember, from cost, if I want to go to marginal cost, I will differential. From marginal cost, if I want to go for cost, I will integrate it. Okay, that's what we will do. Okay, so we will go with that question number 1. Read that question number 1.
The fixed cost of a new product is rupees 18,000 and the variable cost per unit is rupees 550. If the demand function P of X is equal to 4,000 minus 150X, find the break-even values.
Break-even values. The break-even values is nothing but no profit, no loss situation. If it is no profit, no loss situation, when my revenue will equal to my cost. Is it right? My revenue will equal to my cost. For that purpose, I need to find out the revenue. For that, I need to first frame that equation. They are given Px. What is revenue? That's my first question. Revenue is nothing but price into that output. Here, the output demand is X. So, what is the price equation given? I will simply multiply by X. So, 4,000 into X, 4,000X minus 150 X square. This is my revenue function. Okay, this is my revenue function. So I find out the revenue function. Then what is my cost function? This is, if I say revenue function, it is R of X. So what is my cost function? That's my next question. So the cost function is nothing but fixed cost plus variable cost. That is a simple universal concept. Total cost is nothing but what? Fixed cost plus variable cost. Here the fixed cost, they have given 18,000 is their fixed cost plus variable cost per unit is given, that is 550. So it is 550x. That is an output. It depends on the output. Variable cost changes. 550x. So if I equate, break-even sales is nothing but what? R equal to C. If I say R equal to C, it is 4,000x minus 150x square equal to 18,000 plus 550x. So if I equate over this, okay, what value I will get? If I substitute 150x square, I will take to opposite side and then minus, if I subtract from 4,000, if I subtract 550, I will get minus 3,450x plus 18,000. I just simplifying it equal to 0. If I further cancel by 150 table, okay, it will become x square 3450 divided by 150. It will become 23x divided the equation by 150. I will get x square, then 18,000 divided by 150, you will get 120 here. It is only 120 equal to 0. This is the equation which is given. Here there is a two-way approach. From this point, you will go with an option checking method. Or if you want to again simplify it, you can still do it. Okay, if you want to again simplify it, you can do it. Or else you can directly go with the option checking method. Okay, we will go with an option checking method. We will take option A and we will substitute in this equation. One number, I will substitute 15 over this equation. I need to get the value 0. Take a calculator and do. 15 into equal to m plus 23 into 15 m minus 120 m plus mrc. You will get exactly 0, right? So I will choose option A. But here the point is, 15 is also having an option A and another D is also having option A. So what I will do, I will go with option B, 8 also. 8 into equal to m plus 23 into 8 m minus 120 M minus MRC, you will get 8 into equal to M plus 23 into 8 M minus 120 M plus MRC, you will get 0. So I will go with my option A. The calculator method everyone knows. Okay, what you need to do with M plus M minus and all. Then we'll go with the question number 2. Sharmita, read the question number 2.
Determine the total revenue function.
Read that point. Using the given data, read that point.
Using the data 2.4, a company sells its product at rupees 60 per unit. Fixed cost for the company is rupees 18,000 and the variable cost is estimated to be 25% of total revenue.
Right.
Determine the total revenue function.
That is nothing but 2 to 4 questions. It's not 2 is to 4. It is 2 to 4. Question number 2, question number 3, question number 4. With this given data, you will figure the answer. Okay. A company sells its product at 60 per unit. That is the revenue generated is nothing but how much? 60 per unit, that is X. Okay. Fixed cost is nothing but 18. Variable cost is estimated to be 25% of the total revenue. What is 25% of the total revenue? It is 60x. On 60x, calculate variable cost is 25% of revenue. What is 60 into 25%? Variable cost is nothing but 15x. Variable cost is nothing but 15x. Those who are watching this video through YouTube also, you can also participate. R is equal to 60x, variable cost is equal to 15x. That's it. The information is given. What they are asking, what is the total revenue function? Simply, what is the revenue function? What we find out? What we find out as the revenue function? So the total revenue function is 60x. That's what they have given. Next, total cost function. You know, cost is nothing but fixed cost plus variable cost. Fixed cost they are given 18,000. Variable cost we have find out 15x. So it is nothing but 18,000 plus 15x. Direct answer. Determine the break-even point. That is the next question. What is a break-even point? Break-even point is nothing but R equal to C. That is revenue function is equal to cost function. So revenue function we know 60x. Cost function we know 18,000 plus 15x. So if I substitute, it will become 45x is equal to 18,000. Then x is become 18,000 by 45. So 18,000 by 45. My value will be 400. After selling the 400 unit only, on that 401 unit, I will be in my profit. Okay, that's what the meaning is. The break-even point is nothing but at the point of 400 units sold. Till that 400 units sold, my company or that company is not in a profit position. Whenever it is selling 401 rupees, the company will enjoy the benefit of that profit. Are you able to understand this break-even point concept?
Yes,
Shall
sir.
we move on to next set?
Yes, sir.
Read that next set.
Using the data 5 to 8, the total cost C of X of a company as C of X is equal to 10,000 plus 25x plus 2x square, where X is the output. Determine the average cost.
Average cost they are asking. What is the formula for average cost? It is nothing but total cost divided by output. Total cost divided by output. Here it is nothing but C by X. C is given divided by X. Everything divided by X. Put divided by X. 1000 divided by X. 25x divided by X. Divided by X. If I put divided by X, 1000 divided by X will become 1000 divided by X. 25x plus divided by X. X gets cancelled. It will become 25. 2x square, x gets cancelled, it will become 2x. So where the equation is 1000x plus 25 plus 2x, 1000x plus 1000 by x plus 25 plus 2x. My option is option A is my answer. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Then determine the marginal cost. For that marginal cost, what you need to do? Marginal cost is nothing but derivative of, that is a differential of total cost. Okay. From cost, we need to go for the marginal cost. So we will go for a differentiation technique. So given in the same equation, if I differentiate 1000 will become what? 0, right? If I differentiate any constant, it will become 0. 25x, x will become 1. So 25 into 1 will become 25. If I want to write it, c is equal to 1000 plus 25x plus 2x square. If I differentiate to marginal cost, 1000 will become 0. If I differentiate, 25x will become 25. 25 into 1 will become 25. 2 into x square will become 2 into 2x. So it is nothing but 25 plus 4x. So marginal cost is equal to 25 plus 4x. So my option B is my answer. Then question number 17. Find the marginal cost when 15 units is produced. Find the marginal cost when 15 units is produced. So in the given, I will substitute x is equal to 15. So MC of 15 is equal to 25 plus 4 into 15. 25 plus 4 is to 15 is what?
85.
85. My answer is option D is my answer. Next, find the actual cost of producing 15th unit. What is average cost of producing 15th unit? Till that some point, 14th unit, I am producing something. At that 15th unit, what is my cost? Actual cost, that's what the question. For that, actual cost, that's what the key point. Cost is nothing but total cost. What I will do in the given equation, I will substitute. In the given equation, I will substitute x is equal to 14. In again, next equation, I will substitute x is equal to 15. The difference between two is my 15th unit cost. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
So what we will do? We will do it in a single step through a calculator. Okay. Take a calculator. Put x is equal to 14. So press 1000 m plus 25 into 14 m plus 2 into 14 into 14 m plus MRC. You will get how much? 1742. Next, if I substitute 15 in that given equation, that is 1000 plus 25x plus 2x square. If I substitute, it will become 1000 plus, take a calculator, 1000 m plus 25 into 15 m plus 2 into 15 into 15 m plus MRC. You will get 1825. The difference between 1825 and 1742 is your answer. Minus 1742. What is the value? 83. So your answer is option C. 83 is your answer. Then question number 9 to 12. Using the given data 9 to 12, the total cost function of a firm is given. Find. They have given this as a for output, x is an output. They are asking average cost. Now tell me, average cost, I will divide it by x. Correct? About 0.002 x cube is there. If I substitute divided by 1x, it will become what? X square minus 0.04 x square will become 0.04 x, because average cost is nothing but c by x. Then plus 5x will become 5. 1500 will become 1500 by x. So where this option is there? It is in option A, right?
Yes, sir.
In that option A, I will choose option A as my answer. Then what is my question number 10? Determine the marginal average cost. That's what the nice question. But I will tell you, in examination, they may not give you, this chapter may be lesser than 3 to 5 marks they may tested. In that entire application will come, that's a question mark. If it is comes, what I will do? What if I was an examiner, what I will do? If I want to set that question paper difficult, what I will do? I want to think you twice to check it whether right. I will give this equation. Okay, I will give this entire equation and ask you to directly find out marginal average cost. For that, what you need to do? First step is, if that question is there, first step is average cost, and then you will derive to find out the marginal cost from total cost, average cost, and then average cost to marginal average cost will be there. So it will be a two-step approach. So it will becomes some more time consuming. You may get the correct answer, but it will be a time consuming thing. So that's what the question paper will be. Okay, so we will go here. We have already have this as my average cost, right? I will take the same thing. I will go for my marginal average cost. So marginal average cost is that thing, but the derivative of that. You need to do a differentiation process. What you need to do a differentiation process? It will become 0.02 into 2x minus 0.04 into 1 plus 5. Constant, if I derive, it will become 0. Okay, then here how I will do 1500 into 1 by x. It will become minus, if I derive 1 by x, it will become minus 1 by x square. So finally, it will become 0.002 into 2 will become 0.004x minus 0.004 plus minus 1500 divided by x square. So what's my answer? My answer is option A is my answer. Sorry, option B is my answer. Next, they are asking marginal cost. Another interesting question, but slightly easy. To find out marginal cost from total cost, I will go for my marginal cost. For that, original equation needs to be there. From this, direct derivation we will do. If I do direct derivation, it will become out. Now you are going to tell me, what if constant over function is there? It will become a into 3x square. That's what it will become. The same thing we are going to do. 0.002 into 3x square minus 0.004 into 2x plus 5. Okay, plus 1500. If I do marginal, it will become 0. Okay, so plus 0. Finally, if I do 0.002 into 3, it will become 0.006 x square minus 0.008 x plus 5. This is what my marginal cost is. Which option gives me that value? Here, option is wrong. Kindly change this to 0.006 x square. Change that option C to 0.00 x square. Option is wrong. Question number 10 is another interesting, beautiful question which you may expect in your examination. And there is another interesting question. Question number 12 for that case. That question number 12 for that matter is find the rate of change of MC with respect to X. Rate of change is nothing but a differentiation of marginal cost. You need to do a second derivative process. What is the first derivative? First, if I differentiate from total cost, I find out the marginal cost. Again, you need to find out the double dash. Okay, wow. So marginal cost, if I write marginal cost is equal to 0.06 x square minus 0.08x plus 5. Again, if I do differential, it will become 0.006 into 2 into x minus 0.08. So it will become 0.006 into 2. It will become 0.012x minus 0.08. So don't forget this rate of change concept. Then 0.012x minus 0.08. So my answer is option D is my answer. Next, I will go for question number 13. 13 is an individual independent question. This question you may expect in your examination. They have given the total cost function for a company is given. That is, total cost they have given. Find the level of output when MC is equal to AC. When MC is equal to AC, what is the output? That's what my question is. So first, for that matter, I need MC first. For that MC, how I will do? First, I will do a differentiation process. I will take the equation, write it over here. 3 by 4 x square minus 7x plus 27 is there. First, I need to find easier thing. First, I will find AC. That's what the easy thing, no? So for AC, I will divide what is an AC is C of x divided by x. That is the AC. So divided by x, it will become 3 by 4x minus 7 plus 25 by 27 by x. That is what your AC is. So this is what your AC value is. Okay. Then in the same equation, I need to find out marginal cost. Marginal cost is nothing but differentiation of total cost divided by dx. So a differentiation of total cost divided by dx, if I do differential, it will become 3 by 4 x square, right? The 3 by 4 x square will become 3 by 4 into 2x minus 7. That's what into 1 plus 27 will become 0. So it will become 6x or it will, if I say 6 by 4x minus 7. That's what my MC. Now both we have written. Okay. So for that matter, what we will do, we will equate everything. So MC is equal to AC is given, right? So MC is equal to AC, 6 by 4x minus 7 equal to 3 by 4x minus 7 plus 27 by x. This minus x, minus 7 will get cancelled. How will get cancelled, sir? This minus 7 will go to the opposite side. It will become plus 7. So minus 7 plus 7 will get cancelled. Okay. Again, if I equate, it will become 27x on one side, 6 by 4x minus 3 by 4x on the other side. So this 27 by x remains constant. 6 by 4x minus 3 by 4 will become 3 by 4x. Okay, 3 by 4x. 3 by 4x. So if I get 27 and 3, if I get directly cancel, it will become 9, it will become 1. Okay, so x is equal to x into x will become 30 x square. 9 into 4 will become 36. Okay, if I want to again simplify it for you, 27 into 4 divided by 3 equal to x into x on. Okay, if it become x into x, it will become x square. 27 into 4 divided by 3, it will become 36. So x square equal to 36. X will become 6. Positive value. X is equal to 6. So if x is equal to 6, my answer is option B. Are you able to understand? Shall we move on to next question?
Yes, sir.
Read that next question.
Using the data 14 to 17, the demand function for the monopolistic is given by x is equal to 100 minus 4p, where x is the number of units of product produced and sold, and p is the price per unit. Find the
P
total
is the
revenue.
price per unit. X is the number of units product produced and sold. It is not old, it is sold. There is so many mistakes over there. Okay, total revenue. We need revenue, but we are in the X variable. To convert this into price and then change it to revenue. That's what our goal is. So we will change this given equation in the form of a value of P. So it will become X is equal to 100 minus 4P. Now it will become 4P equal to 100 minus X. P is equal to 100 by 4 minus x by 4. So P is equal to 25 minus x by 4. So price is given. From that, we need to find total revenue. Price to total revenue, R is equal to P of X. So P into output, it will become 25x minus x square by 4. So my option is, what is my option?
Yes, sir.
Option A is my answer. Then come to question number 15. What is the question number 15?
Average revenue function.
Don't find this again. Average revenue is always equal to price. So what is the price value?
25 minus x by 4.
Directly do it. Don't even find out the average revenue. Because why if it is the average means we need to divide it by x. If I going to divide it by again by x, it will become 25 minus x by 4. Able to understood?
Yes, sir.
Then question number 16. What is a marginal revenue function? They are asking marginal revenue. This is another interesting question you may expect in this examination. Marginal revenue function, marginal average revenue function. That's what that they may play with the numbers. They may play with the words. They're asking marginal revenue function. We find out the revenue function. What is this revenue function? This is a revenue function. From this, we are going for MR. If I going to differentiate, 25x will become R. 25 x square, it will become 2x divided by 4. So if it is 2x divided by 4, if I going to substitute, okay, 2x divided by 4, if I'm going to substitute, this will get cancelled and it will be 2. Finally, 25 minus x by 2. Where I get this option? Option D is my answer. Then 17th one, interesting question, important question you may expect in this examination. Okay. Find the price and the quantity at which MR equal to 0. Okay. They are asking price and quantity at which MR is equal to 0. That's what their answer is. Okay. So what we are going to do, first, I will take to a new place, 17th question. MR equal to 0. That's what their question is. So I will go for that MR. What is the MR I find out? 25 minus x by 2, right? I will put 0 over there equal to 25 minus x by 2. X by 2 will become to this side. It will become 25. Then x is equal to 25 into 2. Here x is equal to 50. Here x is equal to 50. This x is equal to 50 is nothing but your quantity, right? That is an output. Are you able to understand? Okay, I have only one option, that is 50. But for that understanding purpose, I can easily choose option A is my answer. For your understanding purpose, I may go with how to find out 12.5. So that 12.5, what we will do, we'll go and substitute in the price formula. Price is nothing but 25 minus x by 4 because I need a price. So 25 minus 50 by 4 is equal to 25 minus 12.5 equal to 12.5. So price is equal to 12.5. Here, there is a mistake in the question. That is, they are given price quantity, but the option is ulta. That is, they have given is quantity and they have given in the price. In the upcoming edition, they may change it or they may not change it. You need to be very careful in the examination that whether the price and the quantity is still same. What I will do now in the option B or in option C, what I will do in option C, I will put 12.5 and quantity as 50. Now, what you will do? Very, very careful over in this question, in this type of question. What is this point? Every option remains completely different. You will go with this method, whether A will be your answer. If the price is given, 12.5 is your price and the quantity is 50. Make a crucial note on this point. Everybody understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Shall we move on to next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes. We'll go with question number 18 to 21. Read that question.
Using the data 18 to 21, a firm knows that the demand function for one of its products is linear. It is also knows that it can sell 1000 units when the price is rupees 4 per unit, and it can sell 1500 units when the price is rupees 2 per unit. Find the demand function.
Find the demand function. Very beautifully given. Okay. Okay. I will give you a two-step approach. Okay. So the demand function is nothing but what? X, right? So they are given an equation that one product is linear. What is it mean by that? Is nothing but y equal to mx plus b. I will change it to y equal to ax plus b. Okay, so that same variable. Here I will give you a two-step approach. One is easier. Immediately you want to get the answer. Go with the option checking method. Reversal procedure. Take option. You will substitute what is the price is given. 4 per unit. If you substitute 4 per unit, you will get 1000. Or else, if you substitute 2 per unit, you need to get 1500. In whatever the option that is going to give you, that's your answer. I will go and check with mostly, I will give you one more tip on this examination. In most of your examination question, if I want to conclude by way of percentage, 80% of the question, mostly your answer may be lies on option B, C, D. So whenever you're going for trial and error method, directly go and approach option B or option C or option D. This may be useful in your statistics. But in mathematics, even though this trick is applicable, go and check with option A, B, C, D itself, wherever the trick is not applicable, wherever you are going to do it by pen and paper mode. So at that time, 80 to 85% of the cases, the answer is going to be B, C, D. It's what the past trend will be. It is how I can tell you. It is based on the past trend. Okay. So I am going to tell you that. So what we can do it, find the demand function they are asking. I will substitute whatever the price. If I need 1000 units, right? What I will do, I will take option A. That is what? 2000. 250. What is the price over for 1000 units? 4 into 4. 2000 minus 1000. I will get how much? 1000 as my units. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
If I go with, yes, sir, why I want to put 4 rupees? I am going to put 2 rupees. Put 2 rupees. 2000 minus 250 into 2 will become 500. It will become 1500 units. The demand function you will find out. This is a simplest thing. Easily you will get the answer. But I am here to give you the real method as well. Okay. So we will go for a real method. Okay. Just listen. The page is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
So I will take, as we know, X is your output. So X is going to be your demand function. Okay. And P is nothing but your price, right? So first equation they're given 100. What is output? 4 units is a selling price of that product A I'm going to sell, plus that is the price of the product. Okay. So that is 1000 is 4 into A plus B. It is nothing but X is equal to mx plus b we have written, y is equal to mx plus ax plus b we have written. The same thing we are converted in the form of A into price plus B is your solution. In that we'll write it. Then suppose if I'm selling 1500, my unit will become 2 into A plus my fixed cost B. So if I equate this, if I substitute and equate this, 1500 equal to 2A plus B. 1000 equal to 4A plus B. So, change the sign and cancel B. It will become 500 equal to minus 2A. A will become minus 250. So A is going to be minus 250. Substitute in any one option. Okay, in either the option. So it will become 1500 equal to minus 500 plus B. B will become 2000. B will become how much? 2000. So I'm going to substitute in this equation. If I'm going to substitute in this equation, x is equal to what is the A value? Minus 250p plus 2000. Finally, x is equal to 2000 minus 250p. That's what the equation is framed. This is a lengthier process which you need to follow. Now tell me which method you will go. Will you go by a regular method or you will go by a calculator, which is a shortcut method? Which seems to be a time saving
Shortcut methods.
shortcut method. Then we'll go with illustrate question number 19. What is the question number 19? What is the total revenue function they are asking? So the total revenue function they are asking, right? So for that matter, we need to find out the price. Okay, we need to find out the price. So if we have find out now x is equal to, they have given, right? X is equal to only 2000 into x is equal to 2000 minus 250p. That's what we have find out, right? On that, what we are going to do? We are going to find out the price. 250p is equal to 2000 minus x. P is equal to 2000 by 250 minus x by 250. What is 2000 by 250? I think so it will become 8, correct? 8 minus x by 250. That is a price function. From that price function, I should multiply by x to get my revenue. So if I multiply by x, it is 8x minus x square by 250. So 8x minus x square by 250 is my answer. That I will get in option B. Sorry, option C. Be careful in option A and C. Slightly x is only mixing. Okay, here you will find out 8x. Here you will only find out 8. Be careful in that. Are you able to understand? Shall we move on to question number 20?
Yes, sir.
They are asking average revenue function. That's what I tell. What is an average revenue? Average revenue is nothing but what? Price. What is the price which you find out?
8
What is the
minus
price?
x.
8 minus x by 250. 8 minus x by 250 is your answer. Option D is your answer. Okay, 21. Marginal revenue function. Marginal revenue function they are asking. What is your revenue function first? This is what your revenue function, right?
Yes, sir.
So from this you will differential. If you differential 8x will become what? 8 x square by 250 will become what? 2x by 250. If I cancel 8 minus x by 125. So 8 minus x by 125, what's my answer? Option C is my answer. Are you able to understood? Okay.
Yes, sir.
What I will do now, I will give this entire question for you. This full-fledged question. In that full-fledged question, I will ask you to find out 21 marginal revenue function. So you need to be very careful, conceptually strong to take this question, because I will tell you, if you work out this 30 questions now, in that 30 question, you may expect minimum 1 question, maximum 2 questions. If I do, I now itself 2 mark is out of your paper is out. The same model, same type of question is going to become. So it will be easier for you to score. By working 30 questions, maybe 1 question is there. 1 question is going to be tested for you. It is nearly a probable error of 3% of testing in your examination is there. So you can easily do it. Don't skip this chapter. That's what the only one thing I wanted to tell. Then another interesting question, beautiful question, which is question number 22. Okay. Question number 22 is another interesting area which we can put your memory and you can test your concepts logically. Then read that question number 22.
A company charged rupees 15,000 for a refrigerator on orders of rupees 20 or less refrigerators. The charge is reduced on every set by rupees 100 per pieces for each piece ordered in excess of 20. Find the largest size order the company should allow so as the receive a maximum revenue.
Maximum revenue we already studied. We will do differentiation process for maximum revenue. First, for the first derivative, we will put x is equal to 0. Everything we will do. Okay. But here the beauty of the question is you need to understand the question first. That's the first thing. Then only the sum. Okay. Approach of the sum. First, we will let us understand and decode the question. A company charges 15,000 for a refrigerator on an order of 20 or less refrigerator. Fine. The charge is reduced on every set by rupees 100 per piece of each piece ordered in excess of 20. For example, 21 if I am going to order, it will be 100 into till 20th product, it is going to be 15,000 into 15,000 into the number of orders. Okay. 15,000 into whatever the number of orders. From that next part, okay, 100 is going to be subtract. For 21st unit, it is going to be only 14,900. For one product, 100 is rupees is gone. For 22, okay, for 22nd, 22 product, it will be 14, it will be 15,000 minus 100 into 2. 100 into x. So it will become what? 14,000. 100 into 2, if I subtract 200, it will become 14,800 only. So that's what it logically goes. I will frame an equation for you and then I will explain you in depth. So first thing, I will take let yes, let x is equal to, let x be the set of orders in excess of 20. Okay. So first I think so we need to find out the total units. What they are saying, total units is going to be in excess of 20. So it is going to be x plus 20. That's what the first equation. Then I will come to the price per unit. That's what the crucial price per unit. That's what the crucial point which you need to remember. Here is the price per unit is nothing but your first 15,000 you are going to ask from them. On that, you are going to subtract every x variable. 100% discount is there. Okay, 100% discount per unit is going to be decrease. Okay, then from this you need to find out the R. So you find out P. Price is 10. What is R? R is nothing but P into X. This is P. What is the total units? Total units is nothing but X. So equal to 1,000, 15,000 minus 100x into x value, x plus 20. Read this question, read and listen to this question carefully. Okay. Then I'm going to multiply. R is equal to 15,000 into x will become 15,000x. 15,000 into 20 will become 3 lakh. Okay. Then 100x into x, it will become minus 100x square. Minus 100x into 20 will become minus 2,000x. Minus 2,000x plus 15,000x will become 13,000x plus 3 lakh minus 100x square. That's what I find out my revenue. Are you able to understood? Till this point, everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. They are asking marginal revenue. What is the maximum revenue they are asking? For that maximum revenue process, I will derive this. First derivative I will do. Okay. If I do dr by dx, 13,000x will become 13,000. 3 lakh if I differential, it will become 0. So minus 100x square will become minus 200x. Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
In that, I will substitute dr by dx is equal to 0. Okay, if I substitute 0, it will become 13,000 minus 200x. Okay, so 200x 200 x equal to 13,000. So x is equal to 13,000 by 200. 13,000 by 200. What is my value?
65.
Very good. X is equal to 65. That's what my answer. To clarify this, they are saying maximum revenue. For that maximum revenue, I will go for a second derivative. This I will do by dr by dx. So if I do that, 13,000 will become 0. Okay, 13,000 will become 0. 13,000 will become 0. Minus 200x will become minus 200. When is this less than 0? When x is less than 0, the maximum largest output I can show it what? 65, because x is, what is the value of marginal revenue? Is minus 200. Minus 200 means it is a maximum revenue. So x is equal to 65. So my answer is 65. So I'm not want to directly going to go with that. But what they are saying, find the largest size order. Size order is nothing but your quantity, is nothing but your x. So we'll go in this approach. We'll go in this and we'll substitute x is equal to 65 plus 20, s is equal to 85. Are you able to understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. If you want to take that screenshot, just take it right now. Interesting question. Technically, you should be strong by interpreting that concepts. Then only you can easily able to do that part. Here, the important point is whatever I mark it in yellow. That is an important point. Shall we move on to question number 23?
Yes, sir.
Yes. 23, what they have given? Read that question.
A firm has the following demand and the average cost function. X is equal to 480 minus 20p and average cost is equal to 10 plus x by 15. Determine the profit maximizing output and price of the monopolistic.
Determine profit maximizing output and price of the monopolistic. What they are asking? Say, tell me, what is a profit? What is a profit bar? In accountancy, if I want to tell, it is sales minus cost.
Yes, sir.
In mathematics, it is nothing but revenue minus cost. Is nothing but revenue minus cost. So what I will do, I will going to change this output in terms of P and then convert it into R. This AC, I want cost. So if it is average cost, it is nothing but total cost by X. I need total cost. So it is nothing but average cost into X equal to total cost. Are you able to understand that?
Yes, sir.
So they have given, I will go to the next part. What is the 23 they have given? X value. What is X value they have given? 480 minus 220p. 20p. From that, I need to make it in terms of price. So 20p equal to 480 minus x. So p is equal to 480 by 20 minus x by 20. So p is equal to 480 by 20. I think you will get
24.
how much? 24. Good. 24 minus x by 20. So that's what my price is. From price, I want to convert it into revenue. So revenue is nothing but P of X. So it is nothing but 24X minus X square by 20. So this is my revenue. Okay. Then they have given, what is they have given? Cost, average cost they have given. What is the average cost given in the question? 10 plus X by 15. I know average cost is nothing but total cost by cost. Sorry, total cost by X. They are asking total cost. So AC into X is equal to AC of X is equal to total cost. So I'm just going to multiply 10 into X will become 10X plus X square by 15 will become X by 15 will become X square by 15. So C is equal to X 10X plus X square by 15. That's what I will give you. Then what is the next step they are asking? What is a profit? Profit is nothing but here profit is nothing but revenue minus cost. What is revenue? 24x minus x square by 20 minus 10x minus x square by 15. I'm multiplying minus to the inner side. Now it will become 14x minus x square by 20 minus x square by 15. So it will, if I if I take LCM for that, 15, 20, if I take LCM, it will be 5 table, it will be 3, it will be 4. Then if I take 3, 1, 4, then if I go with 4, it will be 1, 1. 5 3s are 15, 15 4s are 60. So it will be minus 60. Okay, if I do 20 into 3, so it will be 3x square minus 4, minus 4x square. Or if I take common x plus value, so it will be plus 4x square. So finally it will become 14x minus 7x square divided by 60. Okay, so that's what my profit is. So this is what the profit function is. Are you able to understood till this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this profit function, they are asking profit maximizing output, right? For that profit maximizing output is a keyword. For that matter, I'm going to differentiate my profit functions. If I'm going to differentiate my profit function, okay, if I'm going to differentiate my profit function is going to be dp by dx is equal to 14 minus 7 into 2x divided by 60. Finally, 14 minus 14x divided by 60. Okay, if I further cancel, or if I want to cancel over here, I will cancel it. Okay, 30. So it will become 7x by 30. Okay, 7x by 30. I will substitute p is equal to dp by dx equal to 0 over there. So if I substitute dp by dx is equal to 0, it will become 0 is equal to 14 minus 7x by 30. So this will become into the positive. Here if I write step by step, 7 by 30 is equal to 14. So 7, finally, how it will become, I will tell you. Just a minute. It will become 7 x is equal to 14 into 30 divided by 7. Give me that value.
60, sir.
60. Yeah. So x is equal to 60. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Is it right? X is equal to 60. Fine. If x is equal to 60, I will put it in the required part of the equation. Okay. Or if I do again differentiation, second form of differentiation, if I do, okay, if I do this second form of differentiation, this original equation will become, this will become minus 7 by 30, right? 14 will become, if I again do differentiation, it will become 0. X, so minus 7x will become into 1. So minus 7 by 30. Correct? Is less than 0.
Yes, sir.
So the profit is going to be maximum. Okay, so the profit is going to be maximum at 60. But the point is, they have given option B is also 60. Option C is also 60. What we can do for that matter, profit we have fixed, that is 60 is going to be there. For that matter, we need to find out the price. Where is the price function? This is a price function, right? Here in this price function, I will substitute x is equal to 60. It will become p is equal to 24 minus 60 by 20. Price is equal to 24 minus 3. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
P is equal to 21. What is the price? Price is at 21. So here, what is your answer? Option is wrong. They have given is wrong. So option is C. You will change this 25 to 21. Are you able to understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. You will go for question number 24. It is an interesting question which takes time saving for you. This will be time consuming for you, not time saving. Then read question number 24 and 25. Last 5 to 6 questions. Quickly we will do it.
Using the data 24 to 25, the marginal cost of production is MC is equal to 20 minus 0.04x plus 0.003x square, where x is the number of units produced. The fixed cost is rupees 7,000. Find the total cost function.
Find the total cost function they are asking you. Okay, simply shall we do? They are given marginal cost. We need to go for an integration part. Okay, I will tell you a two-way approach. One is, I know differentiation very well, sir. I will go for integration to find out the marginal cost by doing an option checking method. Sir, I know integration very well, sir. From marginal cost, I am going for an integration technique to find out the total cost. Okay, here as they given the option, I don't want to take a risk. I know differentiation very well. So I will go with that approach. And then I will take a call. Okay, that is 20x. If I differential, it will become 20.
Yes, sir.
0.02 x square. If I differential, it will become 0.02 into 2.
Yes, sir.
0.04 x. Then if it is 0.001 x cube, it will become 3 over there. 3 into 0.001, it will become 0.003 x square.
Yes, sir.
Plus it will become 0. Correct? I have find out correctly. Marginal cost is there. So I can go with option A is my answer. Are you able to understood?
Yes, sir.
At how, sir, this 7,000 came? How this 7,000 came? That's an important point. Whenever you go for an integration, you will do plus k or plus c. That is a constant you will add at the end. At the end, you will do that. Okay. When x is equal to 0, you will get k is equal to 7,000. For that matter, remove this. Okay. Avoid this. Substitute x is equal to 0 over this. Everything will become 0.
Yes, sir.
So upper k will become 7,000. Are you able to understood?
Yes, sir.
So that's what the process is. If I want to integrate, sir. So if you want to integrate, integration also you will teach. I will teach you. 20. If I do integration, it will become what? 20x minus 0.04. X is there. So it will be x square by 2. Correct?
Yes,
X square by 2. Then plus 0.003 is there. X square is given. X cube by 3.
Yes, sir.
Plus k. Now what you will do? 20x remains same. 2 gets cancelled. It will become 0.02 x square. 3 gets cancelled. It will become 0.001 x cube. Okay, plus k. Now substitute everything. If you want to find out, c is a value which you find out. You will put cost is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. When there is no output, what is your cost? Cost is also 0. So c is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 in the given equation. Okay. C is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 in the given equation, and that the fixed cost only they have given. Right? That fixed cost only they have given. So you will put 7,000 equal to, when 7,000, x is equal to 0. So C here 7,000 equal to 20 into 0 minus 0.02 into 0 plus everything will become 0 plus k. Finally, k is equal to 7,000 is your answer. So that's what this process will came. Is it fine? Are you comfortable? Yes. We'll go with question number 25. What is the question number 25 they are asking? 25, they are asking average revenue cost. We already find out the total cost. From that, we will put divide. Divide is nothing but what? 20x. 20 by x is nothing but 20. If I divide it by everything by x. So my answer is what? Option
A.
A is my answer. Kindly check it again. Whether is it right? Yes. Option A is my answer. Then we'll go for question number 26, 27. Last 4 questions. Read that question.
Using the data 26 to 27, the marginal cost function of a manufacturing X units of a product is given by MC is equal to 3x square minus 10x plus 3. The total cost of producing 1 unit of the product is rupees 7. Find the total cost function.
So find the total cost function. We'll go with this approach. We'll go for an integration approach. So what we'll do, 3x square I will take. This 3x square will become what? 3 into x cube by 3. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
3 into x cube by 3. Minus 10x will become minus 10x square by 2.
Yes, sir.
Plus 3x plus k.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Is it
Yes,
right? Yes. Now 3 gets cancelled. This will get cancelled. It will become x cube minus 5x square plus 3x plus k. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is what they have given, right? So when k is given, what you will do, you will put c is equal to 7. X is equal to, they are given 1. Okay.
Yes,
They
sir.
have given 1. You will put 1. You will check what answer is coming. So c is equal to x cube minus 5x square plus 3x plus k. So c is equal to 7. X cube, if I put 1, it will become 1 minus 5 plus 3 plus k. Correct? 7 is equal to 4 minus 5 plus k. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Then 7 is equal to minus 1 plus k. So k is equal to 8. That's what it should be. So it should be what? Plus 8. Okay, which option I will go? Actually, it should be my option B. Okay, here the point is, this is strongly given. That is, if it is a 0 unit, they are simply given 7 is your fixed cost. So if it is a 0 unit, if you put x is equal to 0 now, if you put x is equal to 0, everything will become 0.
Yes, sir.
So k is equal to 7. Then your answer will be correct. Kindly change that. Then what is the average cost function? That's now we have completed the total cost. From that we will divide everything by x. We will get the answer. That is nothing but x cube by x. It will become x square minus 5x square divided by x. It will become minus 5x plus 3x by x will become 3 plus 7 by x. Where the option is lies?
A options.
Option A. So I will go with option A. The last 3 questions. Read that question. Question number 28.
Using the data 28 to 29, the marginal cost function of a commodity is given by MC is equal to 14,000 by root of 7x plus 4 and find the fixed cost is rupees 18,000. Find the total cost function.
Find the total cost function. That's what they have given. Okay. I will try to simplify it for you. Okay. So what we are going to do, we will go with the, I will first go give you the option checking method. Okay, I will give you the option checking method, and then I will go with that actual regular method. Total cost function. I will take option A. From cost, I'm going to marginal cost. I'm going to differentiate. What I will do, root 7x plus 4 is there, right? There's a root is also one function. 7x is also another function. I will keep everything as root x. I will keep 7x plus 4 as a x value. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Take x value, or if you don't want to confuse, I will take it as y. Okay, I will take it as y. We know one thing. Differential by d by dx into root x is nothing but 1 by 2 into root x. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So in the same way, if I write that equation, it will become 1 by 2 into root of 7x plus 4.
Yes, sir.
So this was the one step. And again, if I in 7x plus 4 is there, right? If I differentiate 7x plus 4, it will become 7 plus 0 inside
Yes,
the
sir.
equation. So it will become 7. So multiply by 7 into what is the value? 4000 is the value, right? 4000 is the value, right? So what I will do, the next step, 7 into 4000 divided by 2 into root of 7x plus 4. 2 gets cancelled. 2 into 4000 gets cancelled. It will become 14,000 plus root of 7x plus 4. Are you able to understood?
Yes, sir.
So in that, I will get it in my option A itself. That's a one thing. Okay. But here the important point is you need to get plus 10,000 here. Right? You need to get plus 10,000 over here. Just a minute. So in that, whether we go with plus 10,000 or whether we will go with minus 10,000, how I can do that, sir? Here, the point is they have given a commodity, right? A
Yes, sir.
commodity is nothing but one commodity, right?
Yes, sir.
Before that equation, it will be in the form of 4000 root of 7x plus 4 plus k. That's what it will be, right? Before that.
Yes, sir.
So what we will do, C is equal to 4000 into 7x plus 4 plus k. Okay, always in that final constant value k. Okay, so that k, how we can find out? This I will substitute. C is equal to 18,000 as my fixed cost. X is equal to 1. If I substitute 18,000 equal to 4,000 root of 7 into 1 will become 7. 7 into 1 will become 7. 7 plus 4 will become
11, sir.
11.
Yes, sir.
11 plus k. Or whether they are given a commodity, right? Okay, fine. We will put that value. If I put that value, it will become how much? 18,000 by 4. 18,000 divided by 4,000. It will become 4.5. I think so. Here it should be, we will consider x is equal to 0 over. Then only you will get that answer. Otherwise, you may not get that exact value. Okay. Here what you will do, root of 7 into 0 plus 4 plus k. It will become 18,000 equal to 4,000 into root 4 plus k. What is the root 4 value?
2.
2. So 4,000 into 2 plus k. Okay, 4,000 into root plus k. So it will become what? 8,000.
Yes, sir.
So 18,000 minus 8,000 equal to k. So k is equal to 10,000. Positive 10,000. That's how we need to find out. Are you able to understood?
Yes, sir.
Next, we'll go for question number 29. Find the average cost of producing 3 units of products. It's not 3 units of products. Exactly. We need to find out x units. Okay, it is not 3, it is x units. X units of product. What is an average cost of producing x units of product? Simply divided by everything is divided by x. 400 divided by x. Root of 7x plus 4 divided by x will become 2 gets cancelled. 10,000 divided by x. So here the sign is also missing, I think so. So what do you need to do? We'll go with option here 4,000 by x into 7x plus 4 by x. Then I think so your answer is option B.
Yes, sir.
Option B is your answer. Directly we will do. Okay. Then 30. the marginal revenue of a function MR equal to 7 minus 4x minus x square. What is the total revenue as? So we will go with the integrate part. If you know differential, I will go with option checking method. Anything is comfortable, you can do. That is 7 minus 4x minus 7. If I integrate, it will become what? 7x. Minus 4x if we integrate, it will become what? Minus 4x square by 2. X square if I integrate, it will become what? X cube by 3. 2 gets 2 by 4 will get cancelled. So it will be 7x minus 2x square minus x cube by 3. That's what the equation is. So where I get this? Oh, they are given itself 4x in the same sense.
Yes, sir.
So what's my option? Everything in the minus. If I
Yes, sir.
everything, option A is my answer. Okay. We have completed the exercise part. Quickly we will go through that example problem. Once we complete that example problem, we can easily do it. 8C1, that is a first example. The marginal cost function of manufacturing, that equation is given. The total cost of producing 5 items is 500 they have given. We need to find out the total cost function. We'll simply integrate this. If I integrate this 5, if I integrate 5, it will become 5x plus 16x, it will become 16x square by 2 minus 3x cube by 3 plus k. 3 gets cancelled. This 2 gets cancelled. It will become 5x plus 8x square minus x cube plus k. C is equal to, that's what my total cost is. Okay. In that, I will substitute. Okay, they are given x is equal to 5. So I will substitute C is equal to 500, x is equal to 5 over the function. If I substitute C is equal to 500 equal to, what is the 5x value? 5 into 5 plus 8 into 5 square minus 5 cube plus k. If I substitute over there, it will become 500. If I take the total value, it will become 25. Then 25 into 8 will become 200. Then 5 cube will become 125. Okay, plus k. Then k will become 500 minus 100. K will become 400. Then from that 400, if I substitute in the equation, 5x plus 8x square minus x cube plus 400 is my option. This is a one-way approach. Or whenever the option is given, till this point, you will fix that option. And for that value, you will go with the same substitution effect to find out that value. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Then example 8.2. The marginal cost of a product is given for a constant multiplier number. Unit X is produced. Total cost is given. Fixed cost is given. The total cost of producing 50 units is 5625 they have given. 50 units value they have given. Okay, so what we will do? First, the constant multiplier of a number function is given. So marginal cost is equal to constant multiplier of X value. The product units is produced. If I differentiate this, okay, if I differentiate this, it will become K1X. Okay, plus this X will become, if I differentiate, it will become X integrate, it will become X square by 2 plus K2 because another constant will rise. So what I will do, since cost is given, fixed cost is given, that is a fixed cost multiplier is given, that is 5,000, and then X value, if I substitute 0 over the function. So C is equal to K1 X square by 2 plus K2 is there. So C is equal to 5,000. K1 value, K1 into 0 if I substitute, entirely it will become 0 plus K2. So my K2 will become 5,000. Correct? K2 will become 5,000. Now, I will go with second approach. That is, they are saying the cost of producing 50 units is 5625. What I will do, X is equal to 50, I will substitute. C is equal to 5625, I will substitute. So 5625, K1 will remain same. X square will become 50 square. 50 square is nothing but 2500 divided by 2 plus already K2 I find out, that is 5,000. Okay, if I simplify this equation, I will get 625, 1250 of K1. So K1 finally will become 1 by 2. So K1, 1 by 2, we have find out. So from that, I will substitute in the K1. I will substitute in this equation. Okay, I will substitute K1 in this equation. So what is a K1? 1 by 2, x square is there, divided by 2, plus 5,000 is the K2 value. Finally, x square by 4 plus 5,000 is the value. Are you able to understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's a required cost function is there. If you want by any option checking method, till this point, you can go with it. For this sum, I don't recommend for this option checking method. Even though I have written this option checking method for this sum, because we are having a 2 constant multiplier, I may not recommend it to go with the option checking method. You can directly go with the regular method. Then last function, determine the total revenue function is there. If there is a revenue function, we can simply integrate the value to get the value. So P is nothing but R by X by X. That's completely fine. Then they are given marginal revenue function is given for a product is given. They are asking total revenue function and demand function. Demand function is nothing but your Q, or if I want to say it is nothing but your X value. This marginal function 6 by X minus 3 the whole square minus 4. If I going to integrate, it will become this same thing. There is a slight mistake over here. You need to put minus sign over there. If I integrate, it will become 6. This x minus 1 by x minus 3 whole square, if I integrate, it will become x minus 3 whole inverse. Then I will go with the same integration method, integration of x minus 3 minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. It will become minus x minus 3 minus x minus 3 minus 1 divided by 1. So if I write this, it will become minus 1 by x minus 3. Already 6 is there, constant. So I will put 6 over there. So it will be, change this and write down minus 6 by x minus 3 minus 4x plus k. 4 if I integrate, it will become 4x plus k. This is the equation. Then I will substitute. Okay. Then I will substitute r is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 over the equation. If I substitute r is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 in the equation, 0 is equal to minus 6 divided by minus 3, minus 4 will become entirely 0, plus k. If I cancel, it will become k equal to, already minus is there, k equal to minus 2, because here minus minus gets cancelled, 2 plus k is there, so k is equal to minus 2. So k is equal to minus 2 is the correct thing. And then change this equation. R is equal to, entirely you need to change. R is equal to minus 6 by x minus 3 minus 4x plus 2 is there. Okay, from that we need to find what? Revenue function. How I find out the revenue function? Revenue function I have find out. From that I need to go for a price. So price, I know price is nothing but P into X is nothing but R. So I need P. P is nothing but R by X. So I will divide every equation by X value. Then it will become 6 divided by X minus 3 into X. Because I am dividing minus 4 by X, 4x by X plus 2 by X. So x gets cancelled and you will get the equation 6 into X into X minus 3 into minus 2 by X, sorry, plus 2 by X, plus 2 by X only. Here, what is the R value? Sorry, R value is minus 2. So R value is minus 2 by X, minus 2 by X, minus 4 is a required value. Then if I take minus 4 is the same thing. If I take LCM for this value, everything x will get cancelled easily. So it will be maximum X minus 3. If I do cross multiplication, okay, if I do cross multiplication, it will become 6 minus 2 into X minus 3 minus 4. Okay, it will become 6 into minus 2 minus into minus plus 6 divided by X minus 3 minus 4 plus 6 minus 6. Here both values is plus, right? Plus 6 and plus 6. Okay. Finally, it will become 12 minus 2x divided by X minus 3 minus 4. Okay. Minus 4. So if I simplify, this is your price function, you can stop with this point. Okay. With this point, you can stop that is 12 minus 2x divided by x minus 3 minus 4. That's a point. So entirely we have done with the exercise 8C along with examples we have done. This example problem is wrong. So focus on what I have written over there. So that's it with this end of this section 8C. Learn these concepts and apply it, practice it, and get your 1 or 2 marks in your examination. Thank you. Have a good day.